Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun and exciting video for you all. Let's not make this intro long, let's get right into the video. Okay, so by the title you already know what we are going to be doing today. I am doing a really fun luxury shoe unboxing. I am unboxing my very first pair of Golden Goose sneakers. But before I start, I do kind of want to give a preface to how I got these sneakers, the process, what I did poorly, because the box came ripped open and it's raining outside. So let's pray my shoes are not damaged. But let me just tell you all tips that I learned, what the process was like, everything. So I've actually been wanting a pair of Golden Goose for about 2 years now. But I was kind of contemplating it because I didn't know if it was just a popular thing or it would say something that would be like, that you would see for years to come. And they've been quite popular for the past few years now. It doesn't look like the trend is going anywhere, and I've always thought they were so super cute. So I finally decided this will be a good investment. They're very popular. So I decided I want a pair. So, like normal people do when they're ready to make a luxury purchase, I did a ton of research. So I saw a ton of YouTube videos and looked at a lot of articles, and for some reason I decided that I was going to order my shoes off of goldengoose.com, like the actual retailer site. Well, that is when my issue started. I should have just ordered off of Essence, off of Neiman Marcus. Would have been really easy. But I decided that I wanted to get mine off of goldengoose.com, which wasn't terrible until it was bad. So, the way the website is set up, first of all, you can tell that, it's not that nice of a website. So, when I made my purchase, I went in to change my address information, and I accidentally left a blank empty. So, when I went in to change it, it automatically switched my state to the first state on the list, which is Alabama. Therefore, for the first 2 days after I purchased it, I did not notice until after I confirmed it that the state was wrong. I was panicking. And I was trying to get in touch with Golden Goose customer service. I couldn't get anybody. Finally, 2 days later, after I had already made the purchase and they had attempted to ship it, I got in touch with someone. Luckily, she went ahead and told me, as long as your zip code is correct, you'll be fine. So I was like, okay, great. So she gave me the DHL information, which was number 2. Because I ordered from the Golden Goose website, my shoes came from Italy, which means that it went through DHL and shipping was $28. But I justified the price because I did buy a pair of $495 Golden Gooses, which is the cheapest you can get them unless you're buying them on sale for a pair of Golden Goose. That's where they start, right at $500. So I was like, well, even with $28, it'll be around $528, and that's still cheaper than a $600 pair of Golden Goose. So I justified it. Again, another mistake. So the box starts moving. I finally have my DHL information. Then it gets to Memphis, and like, that's it. It kept saying that it was forwarded for delivery in Memphis, forwarded for delivery again in Memphis, forwarded again for delivery in Memphis. I have like no box and I'm freaking out. So finally I decide to call DHL. They tell me that actually my box is with USPS and it will be delivered today. That was this morning. So I did eventually end up getting my box, but it was the worst process ever. I played run around with Golden Goose, DHL, USPS. And when it arrived, that's right, it is open. Like, my box has a gigantic hole inside of it. And again, it's raining outside. So, let me open this baby up because it's been very stressful. But I'm still very excited about this pair of shoes. So, let me open it up. It says, you have just received an authentic Golden Goose product. Really exciting. So you open it again. Oh, this is funny. If there's any problem, don't worry. We will take care of you. Really, Golden Goose? Really? telling you right now, I already have to run around. Okay, so here's my receipt. I'm not going to show you all this because it has my address on it, and it has the wrong state, and it has my telephone number, but it basically says, you know, how much I paid for the shoes and the $28 shipping. So, well, this is exciting. The good thing is it did come in a box, so it should be fine. The inside literally says Golden Goose. Super fun. Okay, so now that all of this is over, I'm so excited. So here's the box. This is their classic Golden Goose box with the brown and the silver. So cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, now I'm excited. If I can just figure out how to open this. Okay, I think you open it from right here. Okay, are we ready? Okay. This is such an interesting contraption. So on the top here we have the dust bag Golden Goose sneakers. It has a cute little like shoelace blue looking thing right there. Let's put that on the ground. Oh my god. Ah! Okay, so look at that color. Do not remove if you want to make a return. Hopefully I will not be doing that. Oh, these are big. Hope they fit. Okay, so here are my Golden Goose sneakers. And sure enough, in true form, they're like, they look warm, which is what Golden Goose is made for. So I got these gorgeous suede, berry color Golden Goose sneakers. And of course, it's got that like distressing. On the back it says Golden Goose with the white star. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I got them in a size 38 and I'm originally a 38.5. And these definitely look like they're going to fit. Like they kind of look big. And this is 38. Okay. You guys. It's so weird though, because it feels like, because they're dirty, it feels like, you know, they're not actually dirty, they're just made to look dirty. But because they look like that, you know, you think in your head like, oh my gosh, I'm getting a dirty pair of sneakers. Y'all, they're so cute! They are so cute! Oh my goodness, I have to, okay. I'm gonna try one of these on. I'm gonna try one of these on. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you all because it's kind of hard. This is so weird. I've been wanting a pair for so long. Yeah, fits perfect. So happy I got the 38. So, this is really odd, but that's how the 38 fits. I'm originally a 8.5. Really weird. Y'all, they're so cute. I wish I could show you all in, like, my mirror what they look like, but it's kind of hard. Oh my gosh. This is so exciting. So what's weird is that, like, I wish I could show on the inside. I don't know if you can see this. I'm probably not going to be able to get you, like, with the way the camera is, it's going to be hard. But there's, like, these two G's in the very front that have, like, holes in them. When I put them on, I was like, what is that feeling? It's weird. But, oh my goodness, they were so comfortable when I put them on too. I am so excited. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.